Hey besties! If you're between 10 and 15, this video is totally for you. Whether you're in school, online classes, or just figuring life out, I know how confusing and exciting this age can be. So today, I'm sharing my full day routine, step by step, to help you build a day that feels calm, happy, and you. This isn't a perfect routine. It's not aesthetic 24/7 or all pink and polished. But it's real, it's gentle, and it's helped me feel more like myself every day. Let's dive in. I usually wake up around 7:30 a.m. Not too early, not too late. The first thing I do is stretch in bed, just a small moment to thank myself for resting. Then I drink water. It sounds basic, but it really wakes me up more than my alarm ever could. I keep my morning routine super simple. I wash my face with a gentle cleanser, brush my teeth, and apply a little moisturizer. Nothing fancy. But that tiny bit of effort makes me feel clean and fresh before school. And no, I don't check my phone right away. I try to stay off screens until after breakfast. It really helps my mood. Breakfast for me is something light. Oatmeal, fruit, or sometimes just toast with peanut butter. I try to eat something that gives me energy but doesn't make me sleepy during class. While eating, I go through my planner, or just look at my to-do list. I don't plan every second, but I write down 2 to 3 goals for the day. One for school, one for myself, and one fun thing. If you're like me, focusing in school can be hard. Some days are great, and some days feel impossible. So here's what helps me. I wear something comfy but cute. Yes, that makes a difference. I keep water next to me and I take quick breaks. 5 minutes to breathe, stretch, or just doodle. I also stopped being so hard on myself. Not every day will be productive. And that's okay. After school, I take a full reset. I change into cozy clothes, put my hair up, and clean my space just a little. Even 5 minutes of tidying helps me feel calm. Sometimes I journal about my day, especially if something made me anxious or upset. Writing things out helps me let them go. And sometimes I just nap. Real talk. Evenings are my favorite. This is when I watch a show I love, listen to music, or scroll Pinterest for outfit inspo. If I'm feeling creative, I'll draw or write a little story. If I'm tired, I just light a candle, sit in silence, and do nothing. I don't force productivity at night. I just let myself exist. That's part of self-care too. Before bed, I keep things light. I do a simple skincare routine: cleanser, moisturizer, and sometimes lip balm. I brush my teeth, comb my hair, and put on my favorite comfy pajamas. I spray a little lavender mist on my pillow. It helps me feel safe. Sometimes I'll read a few pages of a book. Other times, I just lie in bed and think about what made me smile that day. So, that's my full day routine. It's not perfect. It changes. Some days I do more, some days I do less. But the point isn't to do everything. It's to take care of yourself in small, soft ways. If you're building your own routine right now, remember this. It doesn't have to look like anyone else's. Just make it feel like you. You deserve a day that supports you, even if you're figuring it out one step at a time. Thanks for spending time with me today. I hope this inspired you to be gentle with yourself and build a life that feels good inside. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part of your day. See you soon.